As you can tell from my intro, I'm snowed in. So I was gonna make this Romanian cheese pie, but I don't have the ingredients I need. So I'm gonna make substitutions. Okay, my water is right around 100 degrees. Perfect temperature for maybe a little bit on the high side for blooming this yeast. And I've got 1 packet of yeast. I'm going to put it in this custard cup, pour my water in, give it a touch of sugar, it's about a teaspoon, and we'll stir that up. We'll give that a minute. So my recipe calls for 500 grams of flour. All-purpose should be fine. There we go, 500. Yeasties are getting nice. So the recipe I have also calls for milk. Again, I'm snowed in, can't get to the cow. So I'm just gonna use water, but I'm gonna supplement it with just a bit of cream, just to give it a little bit of fat to it, and 1 egg. My yeast back in with my water, and about 1 ounce of cream. Oh, I have about 7 ounces of water. I'll add that in, and I'm also gonna, just for a little bit more richness, 1 egg. And we'll stir this till it comes to a nice dough. It should be a loose dough, but not sticky. Okay, it's time to get my hands in there. I did wash them. It's a little bit dry. I think I need a little bit more water. I'll be right back. That's another ounce. Okay, a little bit of oil goes in the bowl. Just enough to keep it from sticking. And toss the dough in the bowl with the oil. I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap and put it in a warm place to rise. And the best place I have for that is in my microwave, believe it or not. So I'm gonna plastic wrap this, pop it in the microwave, and I'm gonna get started on the filling, and well, maybe I'll take Jack's out again. The recipe I'm basing this on has one type of cheese mixed with green onions and such to form a nice stuffing. I've seen variations with feta, which I do have, so I'm kind of good there. Ricotta, don't have any ricotta. Again, road's not plowed yet. But what do I have? I've got 1 slice of bacon, which I just chopped up, threw in here. I've got about half a red onion. For an herbal component, I do have a little bit of thyme, so I might as well use that. The bacon looks good. I got a little bit too much fat in there though, so I'm just gonna soak it up a little bit. That should be good. Now to get that onion in there. Now I want to caramelize these quite a bit, so it's gonna take a bit, be patient. Also gonna throw in the thyme I've got. Not a lot of salt, just a little. And some black pepper. But I don't think I have enough for what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna grate up some Parmesan also. So my onions are looking pretty good, but I got a nice little fond here. I don't want to waste that. I'm going to deglaze with just a little bit of sherry. I'm out of white wine, so the sherry will work. There, I want that goodness on the onions, not in the pan. We'll let that reduce down until it's nice and tight. And then we're pretty much done with this. And it's just waiting on the dough to rise.
Okay, we're going to throw a little bit of olive oil so we can fry these off. I'm going to throw a little bit of butter in there too. Like I said, we'll just fry these off till they're nice and golden brown on one side. Oh, one thing I found out that helps a great deal, do the folded side first. You'll see, maybe. Okay, this has been going about 4 or 5 minutes on this side. We're going to flip it over and, oh, that's beautiful.
To serve these, I've got some balsamic reduction. So we'll just give it a little drizzle. And this is my variation of Romanian cheese pie. Well, had to make it this way because I couldn't get to the store. Romanian cheese pie. This is Chef Terry. I'll see you next week. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe. Just smash all those buttons down there. And oh, remember, sharing is caring.